Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on the NCERT CIET online training. Integration of virtual labs in teaching learning phase 4. COs and educational services will guide you step by step through everything you need to know to make the most out of this incredible program. Let's dive into the guide. Start by opening the CIET website. You can either type CIET in the Google search bar or directly enter www.ciet.ncert.gov.in in your browser. Once the website opens, navigate to the workshops and training link. Click on it and you will be redirected to the CIET workshops and training page. Here, look for the online training, Integration of Virtual Labs in Teaching Learning Phase 4 and select it to proceed. This course is a fantastic opportunity for educators to enhance their teaching methods by integrating virtual labs into their classrooms. It's designed to make science more engaging, interactive, and accessible for students. Whether you are new to this concept or looking to upskill, this training is perfect for you. Next, who can participate? This training is open to everyone. Whether you are a student, teacher, educator, parent, administrator, or just part of the general public. If you are interested in innovative teaching and learning with virtual labs, this course is for you. No matter your role, you are welcome to join and explore the future of education. Now let's go over the schedule. The 7 days online training on integration of virtual labs in teaching learning phase 4 organized by NCERT and CIET will take place from 6th January to 15th January 2025. The sessions will be conducted in English and run daily from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. You can access the live session on the NCERT YouTube channel at youtube.com NCERT official. The session will be telecasted live on the following channels. PME Vidya channels numbered 6 to 12 meant for classes 6 to 12. DD Free Dish channel number 128. Dish TV channel number 950. Sun Direct channel number 793, Jio TV mobile app, Tata Sky channel number 756, Airtel channel number 440 and Videocon channel number 477. Now let me share the program schedule for this training. Day 1 will talk about virtual labs need, perspective and scope. Day 2 will cover virtual lab as a teaching learning tool for physics. Day 3 will dive into virtual lab as a teaching learning tool for biology. Day 4 will focus on virtual lab as a teaching learning tool for computer science. On day 5, we'll explore virtual lab as a teaching learning tool for mathematics. Day 6 will cover virtual lab as a teaching learning tool for chemistry, and on day 7 we'll dive into virtual lab as a teaching learning tool for languages. Now let's go how to register. You can either scan the QR code displayed on the screen or click the registration link available in the description box below. Once you do that, registration form will appear for you to fill out. To complete the registration form, start by entering your email and selecting your state, then click the next button. On the next page, choose your title and type your full name in block letters. Select your age and provide your mobile number. Next, choose your profession. If you are a teacher, specify your level of teaching. Indicate how you came to know about the training. Answer 3 questions. Have you used virtual lab technology before? Have you contributed to creating any virtual labs? Have you attended any related training before? If your answer is to any, provide the necessary details. Finally, confirm your consent for CIET-NCERT to use the submitted information and click the submit button to complete your registration. Next, we'll see the certification process for participants. For those interested in receiving a certificate, please take note of the following steps. First, you will need to join the online course that will be launched on the Diksha portal. Let me guide you how to join a course on Diksha. The 6 Diksha course titles and links are available here. For this demo, I will click on the first link. This will redirect you to the Diksha portal. Click the login option. On the login window, enter your registered email ID or mobile number and password. Then click the login button. Once logged in, click the Join Course button. A pop-up box will appear. Verify your details, check the box to agree and click the Share button. You will now have access to the course modules. Complete the modules one by one. After completing the modules, proceed to the assessment section. Click on the assessment. A quiz will open. Complete the quiz. If you score 70% or above, you will receive a certificate. The certificate will be available in your Diksha portal within 15 to 20 days. Note, you can attempt the assessment only 3 times and this course will remain open until 15th March 2025. Any query, mail to diksha.training@ciet.nic.in or call to the displayed number. Thank you for joining me in this guide on the NCERT CIET training and Diksha platform. I hope this tutorial has made the process simple and clear for you. Remember, these courses are a fantastic opportunity to enhance your skills and bring innovation to teaching and learning. Don't forget to complete all the modules. Take the assessment and claim your well-deserved certificate. Let's continue to inspire and innovate together. See you in the next video. Bye.